Nutrition is key to cabbage growing. Nutrition is something you cannot ignore, regardless of how your soil is. Because if you ignore these, two things will happen to your cabbages. One, there will be slow growth. Secondly, there will be small head formation, or there will be less leaf formation. And the bigger the leaves of your cabbages, be assured that the bigger the head you are going to form. I usually do 3 applications of fertilizers in my cabbages. I don't know how you do it from your side. Planting, like I showed you when we are doing the planting, using phosphorus-based fertilizer. Then top dress, that is few weeks after planting. This is to increase the vegetation or to make the leaf vegetative. Then last but not least, there is a second top dress, which is a calcium based product. The second top dress is a nitrogen based phosphorizer, and they usually go with NPK 2323 is my favorite. I can use it during planting and at top dressing. Then the second top dress is a calcium based fertilizer, and I can go with CAN or any product with calcium. It's always good for me to do that. This is now to form the head. The bigger the head and the heaviest the head. Remember, when you go to the market, we weigh the cabbage using our hand, and the heaviest, we usually say it has enough food. That is what we usually say in our local language or in the market. It has enough food. So if you have a light cabbage, you are not going to sell them well. The heavier the cabbage, the bigger the head is the best for you. And for you to achieve this, you cannot ignore nutrition. Nutrition is application of organic fertilizer. Like you can see, I'm combining both organic. It's an organic NPK and also inorganic. It's this one is a calcium based fertilizer and also some few nitrogen to be able to get now the required head. And at this stage, you are not bothered, because how we apply is at the stem of every cabbage. At the stem of every cabbage, we do the application. As simple as this. Very simple. As simple as this. So that's the biggest secret to have the required weight of your cabbage. That's the biggest secret to get all you need as far as cabbage farming is concerned. After this, don't forget, after applying the fertilizers, don't forget to do the irrigation, because some fertilizers have scorching effect. They may end up affecting your cabbage. So irrigation is key. Irrigation is important after applying the fertilizer. Hope you've learned something. Hope you are learning something. If it's your first time that you're watching me, kindly follow this page, and for more information, go to my YouTube channel at Farm with Fred, so that we can continue learning together. Bye.